Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see integration and automation of SaaS UFT mobile device through the Ginger. So let's start. First of all, we see the overview of SaaS device lab, and then we'll see the different devices available on the device lab. So let's start. First of all, you need to launch your SaaS environment on the browser and provide your credentials. Once you click on the login button, you are able to see this window. Okay, here you need to click on the launch button. After clicking on the launch button, you are redirected to the default workspace page. Okay, so you are able to see this window. Then you need to click on this menu icon and click on the digital lab, so it will redirected you to the device lab. Okay, and this is our main device lab. On this device lab, we are able to see that different available devices. For now, we have the two available devices. According our need, we can add our own on-premises devices. Okay, so let's start. Here we have two devices. One is for iPhone and one is for Android. Here we have the more information button. If you click on the more information, here we are able to see the details information of that device, like device details, device metrics, etc. And here under the reservation, if anyone of us using this device, so here we get the message that this device is reserved by this user. Okay, or if you want to create a reservation for yourself, so here click on the create reservation and provide the detail, so it will create the reservation for yourself. Okay, and if you want to perform some operations on the device lab itself, so click on the open device remotely icon. If you click on that icon, it will open the device on the device lab itself, and you can perform basic operations here as well, like open any app, click on the back button, voice volume up, volume down button. Okay, press the home button. For now I'm just clicking on the gallery button, so it will open the gallery for me. If I click on the home button, so it will redirect it to the home button. Okay, and if I'm working on this device, so on the device lab, we are able to see that here we get the message that this device is reserved by user. Okay, after completion of my work, I need to delete my reservation so other can use it. So for that, you need to just click here. If you click here, you are going to on the reservation page. Here we have the delete icon. So delete the reservation. So now this device is available for the all users. Okay, so let's start. Now we are going to see how to connect the devices to the Ginger. For that, we need the different credentials. For that, you need to click on that administration icon. Once you click on the administration icon, here we have the access key. So click on the plus icon. So it will generate a new access key file for you. Here provide the name, type, and if you want to use these devices for select specific time frame, so select expiration date, else select the never expire and click on the generate button. So it will generate one credential file for you. In that credential file, we have the URL, IPM server URL, client ID, client secret, and tenant ID. We need these details to connect to the device. Okay, so let's start how to connect. Go inside the Ginger and create a new solution which having the mobile target application. Okay, provide here solution name, select the solution folder, and under the main application name, select mobile. Okay, so it will select the mobile. For now, I just have a created solution. Once you create the solution, your solution get created for the mobile target application and for mobile agent also. Okay. After that, go on the configurations tab. Under the agent, click on the agent. Okay. This is my mobile agent. I'm just renaming it with the Android agent. Okay. In the configurations tab, you need to provide the details. So first of all, you need to provide the AppM server URL. You get this URL from the access key file which we downloaded from the here. Okay, you need to provide the URL here. Then under the desired capabilities, you need to select device source as MFAFM lab. Platform, if you want to connect Android, select Android. If you want to connect Android iOS, select iOS. And application type, if you want to perform operations on the already installed and downloaded application, so select the native. And if you want to launch some URL on the browser, so select the web application. Okay, for now I'm selecting native application. Then go down, and here we have the checkbox for auto update capabilities table. Check it, and in the capabilities table you need to provide the device name. Device name, you are able to get this device name from the device lab. So go on the device lab. Here I'm here in the more information you are getting the device name. So copy this name and provide here. UDID also you can get from the device lab. So go on the device lab. Here we have the UDID option. Okay, and from client ID, client secret, and tenant ID. These three capabilities you can get from the access key file which we downloaded from the device lab. Okay. After providing all the details, just go above and click on the test agent button. If you click on the test agent button, it will connect to that device and it will showing us the successful message. So once you've provided all the details correctly, it will connect to that agent and we are able to see that we connect to the agent and we get the message that agent starting test ended successfully. Okay. So this is how to connect to the device. So let's start how to automate some applications in the mobile devices. For now that I'm just using launch the mobile agent. Okay. After launching the mobile agent, also you can perform basic operations here. Means like launching the any applications, click on the volume up button, volume down, unlock the phone, swipe up, swipe down, whatever you want to perform, you can perform. For now, I'm just clicking on that profile icon. So it will go on the profile page. Now I want to automate this page using the Ginger. So go inside the resource tab. In the Ginger, we have different capabilities. One of us is the one of that is the autopilot functionality. So under the resources, under the applications model, we have the page object model. In the page object model, we can learn all the elements available on the device page within a second. For now, I'm just selecting the active agent. So my Android agent is the active agent. And here we have the different element type which we can learn. Okay, or also we have the advanced elements, so you can learn this as well. For now, I'm just selecting basic elements. It will learn all the elements available on this page and this located by for each element. Okay, so click on the next. Once you click on the next, here within a second it will learn all the elements available in that page. Here we are able to see it learn all 12 elements available on that page. Also here we have the highlight button. If you click on the highlight button, it will highlight the element. So according to that, you are able to read which element is for which button or which text box. Okay, then click on the next. Here we can provide the name for the form. Okay, and also here we are able to see that it already take the screenshot of that page. Okay, so now click on the finish. Once you click on the finish, it will create the form for you. Under the UI elements, we have the all the elements. Okay, if I highlight on this element, so it will highlight the element on the device lab. So according to that, you can able to find out the element. Also here we have the spy button. If you click on the spy button, just go on the element, press the control key and hover over the mouse. So it will highlight the element also, and here we get the message element found, and this message this element is this. So it will highlight for now, and you can rename it as well. Okay. Also here we are able to see that for this element it will learn all the locators. For this element we have possible 4 locators, so Ginger is automatically read all the locators. Okay, so now how we can use this element. So let's go on the business flow tab. Under the business flow tab, here we have the add action button. If you click on the add action button, here we have the page object models. Click on the page object model, select the page object model which you want. Here we are able to see the different elements. Also you can search here. For now I'm just added the email button. Need to just drag and drop the action. Okay, once you drag and drop the action, actions get added under the actions tab. You just need to expand. Here Ginger is automatically learn the element type, element action. You just need to provide the value. Okay, I'm just providing the value and click on the run action button. So it will run the action and provide the value here. Okay, also under the form, here we are able to see it will set the text in that text box. Okay, also we have the option here next. If I select this button and click on this arrow, so it will also add the action here, and I just need to click on the run button. So in that case, Ginger also able to learn that this button is a element type is a button, and action we need to perform is a click, so it will run the action. Okay, with that also we have the different options to automate the page. In our Ginger we have the different 4 options. Here we have the explorer. In the explorer we have different 4 options. First one is the screenshot. Okay, in the screenshot, here we are able to see the screenshot of this page as it is here. If you click on the any element, it will give the locators for that element and all the properties of that element. Also in the grid view, if you click on the grid view, it will open the grid view for you. And for now I'm selecting, just select the text box and click on the search. So it will learn all the text box available on these devices. And also if I click on here, so it will highlight the element here. Okay. After that, you can also add this element from here as well. So here we are able to see that Ginger automatically learn all the properties of that element, locators, available locators for that element, and action. If you want to add this action into the POM, so you can directly select the POM and click on the select. So it will add the value in the POM. Okay. Also, you can auto save and auto update. So POM automatically gets update. Okay. Or you can add the action. From here as well, you can provide the value. For now I'm just providing the value as pass. Okay, so it will provide the value in that text box. Okay, by using grid view. Also here we have the live spy button. In the live spy button, in the live spy button, you just need to click on the spy button and go on the element, press the control key and hover over the element. It will spy the element. In the same, here also it will learn all the properties for that element, locators for that element, and you can add actions from here as well. You can add this element into the POM, or also you can directly add the actions. So it will directly add the actions. Okay, and here we are able to see that it will directly add the actions by located value. It will automatically learn the element type and element action. Okay, and here we have the page source. You have the XML file, so you just need to find out your element and just click on that element, so it will highlight the element on the page and also learn all the uh, locators and properties of that element. And from here also you can add the actions. Same here we have the live spy button. It will same work as we see now. Okay, just click on the spy button, go on the element, press the control key and hover over the element, so it will spy the element. Okay, also, in the action library, we have one mobile device section. So click on the action library. Under the platform action, we have the mobile device section. Just add this action. Okay. After in this section, we have the different operations. Okay. If I select the operations here, we are able to see press back button, press home button, press multiple operations. For now, I'm just selecting press home button and run the action. So it will run the action and click on the home button. Okay. So here we have the multiple options: swipe left, swipe right, swipe down. So you can perform all the operations using the mobile device application. Okay, so in that way you can automate the mobile device using the Ginger. And same for iOS also. You need to just launch the iOS device, and you can perform all the operations same as the Android device. Okay, so for now I'm just connecting to the Android device, so it will connect to the Android device. And in the same way, you can perform different operations on the iOS device, like creating the POM or learning the elements on the POM and automate the any applications. For now, I'm just clicking on the press home button. If I run this action, so it will click on the home button. Okay. Here, now we are on the home page. And same for the web also. Only in the configurations, you need to select the web. Okay. And under the web, you need to here it will automatically get the browser name. For iOS it select the Safari, and for Android it select the Chrome. Or in the default URL, you just need to provide the URL which you want to launch. Okay, in that way you can automate the mobile device using the Ginger. Okay, thank you.